I do. There's Denzel. Right, a little bit of progress. This is one of the straps from the driver's seat. Looking a bit knackered. I thought about just getting some leather and making a new one, but then I thought, hang on a minute, let's employ some hillbilly engineering. That'll fix it. But then when I went out for its maiden voyage the other day, I suddenly realised that I didn't have wing mirrors. So, courtesy of Amazon, I bought some new ones. So I've got a bit of metal which I'm gonna just rivet into place on there and just twist this around, drill a hole in, and then it'll bolt on. I thought about welding it and stuff, but that would be an effort, so rivets do the job. It's only got to last until I get the body built over winter, so get this sorted, get my mirrors on. I'm sure there's something else I was going to do, but I'll think of that as I go. Ta-da! There you go, with my ace camera skills. I'll show you how I did them. So in a minute I'll put the mirrors on. Right, now that's not precision engineering, but it's going to do the job. So I'll just wait for the paint to go a little bit dry, and then we'll shove it in. Ta-da! And if you look in the mirror, there's the floof. Right, now, clever me, thought one rivet would be enough. So I actually just did one in the middle to find out that it still flaps around. So I've had to put a dodgy second one in, but we'll just say it looks rustic. But the original ones for a Haflinger, just for the glass, I think was 20 quid plus VAT and delivery, and they didn't have the stalks, which would have been more, whereas I got these ones off Amazon for the grand total of £10.45 delivered next day. So rivets I already had, the little bracket I made was a bit of scrap metal lying around and a bit of leftover paint, and what's he caught? Has he caught anything? No. Makes a change. He was chewing on a rat the other night, little sod. But yeah, that's canny. I didn't quite get the seat done. Hold on. Yeah, the little bracket worked. I just didn't make the little patchy up bit long enough. So looks like I might have to get some leather and make it longer, unless I do it hillbilly style and just make a big long loop out of duct tape, which I'll probably do. So right, there you go, some progress. Right, I persevered and I did it, so it's now slightly less uncomfortable. Hello. So there's that job done. I've now got mirrors, so I need to get new brake cylinders, because while I've got some brakes, I just haven't got enough brakes. So I might be able to get away with just getting the repair kits if they're available. If not, I'm going to have to just, if not, just going to have to get the new ones and be done with it. Hello. Yeah. Then it would be nice to stop properly. I don't need the brakes all the time, just when I want to stop. So that'll do for now, I think. We'll see you in a bit. Found a little Lego guy a while ago, so I thought I'd add him to the dashboard. So this is what I've done the other day. Hang on, if I can get back. There you go. So I fixed that. Oh, it's a bit wonky. And then, go. There's a bit of electrical work that works. Right. Let's go on a little mission. Mirrors work. I can see behind us. Actually, the seat is a bit more comfortable now. Suspension's not like it is in a Land Rover or the big truck. Hold on. There you go. Bit of scenery. Hello, horse. There's some more horses. Windmills. Oh, big bumps. Oh. Cushioning in the seats. There you go, big windmill, lots of sheep. Right, let's go to four-wheel drive. Not that it needs it, but you know, just get the cogs turning. If you're in a little tiny 4x4 like this, you don't fit into the farmer's rut very well because they're generally Land Rover sized. There you go. Small sheep. Oh, what's that? something down there. It's County Durham's version of Roadrunners. Yeah, oh yes, they have worked out how to fly. More bumpy now. It's not the Austrian Alps, but you know. Be a little bit cheeky. And down. Naughty, naughty. There you go, off-road. Let's bugger off in case somebody tells on us. Just done a little wildlife safari. There's just been a couple of hares there. I thought I might be getting them, but no. Never mind. Come on, dears. Oh. Come on. The gear selector's a little bit vague, but so was the one on the one I had to go off in Scotland. So, yeah. Now, the thing with a little truck that weighs 600 kilos with little tiny wheels in is you kind of just quite bimble through these the way you can in a Land Rover, so you definitely know you're driving it. Right. Oh God. Yep, that woke us up. Right, let's go and get some tea.